What's going on, everybody? It's Nico Moreno here, and I'm super excited to introduce to you today the Messenger Bots for Entrepreneurs course version 2.0. Okay, so if you guys are currently in the course, you already have all these updates uploaded into your members area. Okay, so same link, same everything, same login area, but there's going to be a couple things that are going to look a little bit different. Okay, so don't worry, you've got all your access all in there, but I just wanted to quickly walk you through all the changes and all the updates that I've made inside of here, because things are going to look a little bit different than when you joined version 1 of the course. All right, so let me quickly walk you through that, and you guys are absolutely going to love this. There's so much incredible stuff, new content, new bonuses, and just some really incredible stuff that I'm excited to walk you through today. All right, so go ahead. I might actually upload this video too inside the members area, just in case people don't see this video in the group. And I know a lot of you have never even joined the group, and you're just taking the course on your own time, or maybe you just have never even opened it, which would be an absolute shame. So I'm really excited to have you here today, and I'm going to walk you through version 2.0 of the course. Okay, so here's the welcome getting started, and as you can see, this is V2.0. Okay, so absolutely incredibly excited to be sharing this with you, and there's a lot of new stuff in here that was not here the first time. Okay, so even if you've already had spent a lot of time going through the course and implementing it, there's a lot of new content in here. All right, so go ahead and go through it all. Take some time out for the rest of this week to really go through absolutely everything. This is just kind of a quick welcome and really the mindset that I believe is important for you to have success with this course. Okay, next step is these are some tools that, depending on where you are in your business, some of you may or may not need these tools, but I wanted to quickly share. A lot of you will need a funnel building software. A lot of you will need, ManyChat, of course, email marketing, maybe, funnel scripts, maybe. So those are for you to check out. And then mindset. This is incredibly important. Okay, this is a quick rundown of really what it takes to succeed with this course. Because if you joined in the beginning, you were probably in the group of people who had incredible success with this course. So this is really the mindset that I embody. Success is a choice, okay? I can give you everything that you need right here. It's all in here. All the things that, all those testimonials that you see of people getting to Comma Club or whatever using this specific course, all the information is here, okay? It matters how determined you are, and that determines your outcomes. These are just a couple quick things that I remind myself of every single day. Literally, they're up on my wall. Like I'm staring at them right now. They're in front of my face, so that I always remember that I'm the one that's going to make it happen. Okay, and I want to pass that on to you guys because you can have incredible success. You can create the life that you want to live with the materials in this course, but you need to have the right mindset. Okay, so that is my just quick rundown on mindset and what it means to me and how I think it's going to help you. Okay, so some of these videos in here are, we're in version 1 of the course, but I added a new one here that I think you guys are going to love. A lot of people have questions and get stuck specifically editing the call to action button right here. Okay, so if that sounds like you, and if you have ever gotten stuck creating the actual hook up part between your bot and your actual Facebook business page, or if you're doing that for clients, like this video, you need to watch it right now. Okay, this is going to answer all your questions. And this is kind of like the one tech piece that I see people getting stuck with from time to time. So I figured I should just make a separate video on just that. So go ahead and check that out. Again, if you have been in the course, a lot of this, again, some of the content is reordered. Okay, so I tried to make it from really like start, so ground zero, then module 2 is getting a little bit more in depth, module 3, intermediate and advanced, and then like actual specific use cases and different things like that. So I encourage you to go ahead and check out absolutely everything, because some of the videos maybe it'll make more sense if you see them in the right order. Okay, now module number 3, we've got all of these things, tag sorting and automations. A lot of you have requested that, so I created a video on that. And this, a couple of these were based off of questions that you guys specifically had from version 1. Okay, next up, module 4. These are like how you can actually start to make money with your bots. Okay, so these are understanding why bots are so important, understanding how to use ManyChat, all the basics, getting your first bot up and running, then understanding some more intermediate and advanced messenger marketing strategies, And now once you've got that under your belt, what you're ready to do is you're ready to actually start integrating this and using this in your business. Okay, so I'm going to show you all these different types of whether you run a local business, whether you're an agency owner, whether you do stuff on Instagram, whether you have a Facebook group, right? These are going to show you all the ways to get people into your chatbot funnel. And some of these are like hour long. Like this one that I did with Lawrence right here, this was like an hour or more. And you can see literally from complete zero all the way to him getting like tons and tons of sales, like right live on this video. Okay, so if you've never watched it, go ahead and check those out. That's one of my favorites. Then for those of you, a lot of you are going to be doing this as a service, right? You want to be selling chatbots to clients. Okay, so this is how to get in the right mindset and basically some of the first steps that you can start to take in getting clients. All right, now this is a completely new module. Module 6 and Module 7 are 100% brand new. Okay, they're completely new. So you've never seen this stuff from me before. All right, so go ahead, check this out, selling chatbots to clients. One of the things, I did some feedback, or I got some feedback from some of you guys who were, who were just having a lot of questions about specifically the actual like getting clients part. Like that's literally the one piece that you wanted more help with. Okay, you wanted to actually be able to sell these to clients. All right, so I created this whole new module just for you, how to actually close the sale. Okay, so we've got number one mistake to avoid when approaching new clients and what to do instead. This is the absolute number one thing that everybody makes this mistake, okay? So I've got you covered. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do instead of that so that you don't lose sales. Next up, this is an incredible slide deck and presentation that I created for a specific like live presentation. And what you can do, this is used so that you can, number one, understand the value proposition and why bots are so important right now at this point in time. So that's for you to understand. You need to actually really be well versed on the value that bots can provide. And then you can also use these slides, literally like you can just take the slides and edit them, make them your own. And you can create your own sales presentation or create a bunch of short, little presentations, however you want to do it, to educate the client, okay? Because you want to get the client so excited and so educated and just, you want them to know why messenger bots are so important for their business and for them, so that they want to work with you, right? Instead of you being the one to like go in and, come across as salesy or whatever, you want to educate the client, let them know why messenger bots are so important at this point in time, and get them literally wanting to work with you. So it kind of flips the conversation. Okay, so this is absolutely incredible. Go ahead, download this slide deck, take some time out to educate, just really fine-tune the language and the messaging that is working right now to get people on board with Messenger. So go ahead, check those out, get the slides. Then this is one thing that a lot of people don't know about. Just creep on some bots that are already working. Okay, there's plenty of examples out there that are doing really great things for all different kinds of verticals, all different kinds of things like that. Okay, so go ahead, check that out, and I'm going to show you how to do that because a lot of you guys don't know that this is even available. Then the FB profile method, this is it's 100% free. This is how I got some of my biggest clients, pretty much all of them actually. And same with this one, using bots to sell bots. This is really like how I've gotten pretty much all of my really big clients. It's this method here. So especially like check out, this module alone is going to make you a crap ton of money if you're selling bots, okay? So just do it. Don't be afraid. It might take a little while to get some traction, but don't be afraid. Go out there and do it. And if you need support, let us know in the group. Module number 7, again, this is also completely new. Or there's one in here that is maybe old from the previous course, but all the rest of this stuff is brand new. Okay, so everyone, I saw people asking, how do I properly warm up my leads for the sale? So I created a video on that. How to monetize. A lot of you guys wanted to just monetize, make more money with bots, which is understandable, right? Like that's, at the end of the day, that's why you were in this course, really. You want to just make more money for your business, whether you're selling chatbots to other people or whether you've got a completely other different business model and you just want to use bots to make more money in your own business. Either way is totally cool. This section, this module is almost all new content, and it's absolutely going to help you. This is picking the right bot funnel strategy based on your offer price. So literally, if you have any doubts about what you should be doing with bots, just as long as you know the price of what you're selling, this is going to tell you exactly what to do. All right. So no more questions, no more wondering what's the best strategy. This video will answer it. How to reuse your bot flows, send them as a broadcast. This is another popular question. It's a little tiny thing that's just going to save you a lot of time and a lot of redoing old work. Same with this one, full bot sales funnel. Okay, this is another case study that I recommend you check out if you're selling digital products, services, really anything, because you can also do this for your clients. So check this one out too. And then 2 Comma Club secrets. So this is with my former business coach, one of the best business coaches I've ever had, named Adam. And you can see this is like an hour, even an hour long training for his client that I actually had the opportunity to build the bot for this guy's webinar funnel. And it's a 2 Comma Club funnel now. So, maybe 2 million. I don't know exactly where it is right now. But anyways, it was at one point $1 million funnel, and it's maybe at 2 million right now. So that's very cool. I would highly recommend that you just check this out. It's going to show us everything, including strategy, psychology, from zero. Like literally there was no bot at the beginning. And then at the end, we have the full bot for this offer. Okay, so check that out. You can do that for clients too. And then we've also got Module 8, bots for webinars and auto webinars. So this is a little bit more advanced. Not everyone in this course is using webinars for their business, and that's okay. So if you're not, you don't have clients who do webinars, that's totally fine, skip this. But I do recommend that if you want to get into selling chatbots that are more high ticket, so like, for example, the ones that I charge $5,000 for, it's bots for webinars. So if you want to start charging $5,000 for a chatbot, or even more, you could do more, absolutely, then this is what I recommend you check out, because it's a very good niche. Finally, all the course bonuses, instead of it being in little blue, in their own blue tab, it's all in one now. Okay, so this is going to help you find these even easier. This is just an instructional video of how to hook up these flows, and I made this even better. Okay, so I added a bunch more bot templates in here. You can absolutely just download these instantly, literally one click. You can sell this. Like this is one of the templates that I use. I sell $5,000 bots, you guys, and I use this template every single time. Okay, so go ahead and click it. It's yours. Literally, you could literally just click this one button right here, download it into your account, and then focus on module 6, which is selling clients, and you could be golden, making a ton of money. Okay, so download all these. There's a bunch more new ones. MLM network marketing, Gymbot, which is created by Andrew Cruzy. We've also got Jeff's bot that he contributed to, that he sold to auto dealers. So you have absolutely everything that you need to succeed. Okay. We've also got the Instant Bot Portfolio website. So if you want to do this for clients, again, we've got a website template that's going to get you up and running with literally just one click. All right. Then I've got a whole bunch of incredible bonuses right here. How to get 3,500 targeted real followers on your FB fan page, live coaching session, instant client closer slide deck. This is new. Okay. So this is, again, the slide deck that I showed you earlier on. It's just included here as a bonus. So go ahead, make sure you read that, understand that, and that'll help you literally get people signing up to work with you like right away. Okay, so go ahead, check that out. The definitive chatbot seller pricing sheet. Okay, everyone's asking like, what do I charge for a specific thing for chatbots? Okay, this is it. This is it. No more questions, no more wondering. This tells you exactly what I do, exactly what I charge for each specific thing, so that you have no more questions, okay? And again, you can absolutely charge whatever you want, but if you have any uncertainty, any doubt, and you're not sure, or like maybe you've never charged for one yet, all right? That's totally fine. Just use this, use the numbers, they'll work, all right? So that's just make your life way easier. Check this out, 10K a month bot agency blueprint. This is actually for the very first group of students who joined this course. This was a live call that Andrew and I did together, and we answer your questions live. This is Tanner. This is one of the most successful students that's had this, been in this course. He joined the very first week I launched it, and he has since gone to make 7 figures, so over $1 million. You can see he literally walks us through his strategy right here. It's about 12 minutes, so if you have 12 minutes, you definitely want to watch this video. And he gave me a testimonial like 1 week into the course because he was so excited. 12,500 my first week. And then 12 months later, we're still friends, we're still in contact. and he gave me another testimonial saying that he passed 7 figures. So you guys, like, do not give up on yourselves. If you ever have doubt, go back to the mindset, click on the mindset thing, and then rewatch this. This is going to pump you up, okay? It's possible. The only reason that Tanner was so successful is because he didn't give up, right? He believed that he could do it, and you can do it too, okay? All of you who are in this course right now, you can do this, okay? You've got access to the same tools, even more tools and even more resources than the people who did at the very beginning. Okay, so go ahead and watch this, like block out time, do it. Easy client outreach templates. These are just really, oh, Judy created these. Okay, so Judy contributed these, again, the very first week that I launched this course. She was like, hey, I have some really good client outreach scripts that we can put in here if you want. So thank you for that. And then we've also got some share funnels that are just ClickFunnels to make your life way easier. Okay, so go ahead, click, download those. We've got a new group. We've got some changes coming up with the Facebook groups depending on when you're watching this. So make sure that you're in the Facebook groups. And that's it, guys. Like, thank you so much for being a member of this community, for being in this course. I cannot wait to see your incredible, massive success. Remember, other people are doing this. Other people, they're out there doing it. Okay, so go ahead. You can do it too. I 100%, 110% believe in you. But you need to give 100%, 110% of your commitment, and you need to not give up, okay? So we're here to support you. You've got all the tools that you need to be successful with this, and I cannot wait to see what you're going to do with this.